In today's eyeshadow look, I am using the Milani palette and I am using about 4 colors to create a beautiful look. Let us all get our palettes out and create something beautiful because we are all beautiful. If you're new here, my name is V and I like to encourage, empower, and motivate others. When I motivate you, I am motivating myself. When I empower you, I am empowering myself. We are all on a learning journey in this life, and we are trying to do the best we can with every single moment that we have. On this channel, I like to do makeup. It makes me happy, and I also like to leave an encouraging word. So if this video finds someone wherever they are, I pray it leaves them better than it finds them. Today's inspirational and encouraging word is from the Complete Pocket Positives book, and it reads, I think these difficult times have helped me to understand better than before how infinitely rich and beautiful life is in every way, and that so many things one goes around worrying about are of no importance whatsoever. And this was written by Isaac. The last name is spelled Dinesen. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. You are important to you first before anyone else. And that is why taking care of self first will help you to take care of others. We sometimes put ourselves last, and it is not the best way to do it. If we put ourselves first, take care of ourselves, we will be able to take care of others. An empty cup cannot pour out anything. An empty bag will never stand. There have to be something in there to give out. If you give what you don't have, you will be resentful later on. If you give somebody something you did not have, when they don't give you back, you are not going to be very happy. So remember, self is first. If you like my content, please consider subscribing. Share this video with someone else who you think it might be able to help. Today's look, I use this palette by Milani. These are the colors. I use these 4 colors right there. This color is all over my eyes. This color right here is in the inner corner. This color right there is very flaky. Very flaky. Wet it before you use it. It will be everywhere. This color right here is in the outer corner, but it got a little patchy, and I thought it would show up a little deeper, but it didn't. Maybe it's the base, because remember I have this down first, so it could be this. But this one for sure, flaky, flaky, flaky. And this right here, it's in the outer corner above the crease. So this is my look. It is just not about the makeup, but it's the fun and joy that it brings. I will see you soon. Bye.